Hello, welcome back to Preeti's classes, and today's class about a very important question, and that is that comes in 10th class, that comes in 12th class, and it comes even in competitive exams like GATE. वहाँ पे भी होता है. So this question is about बच्चा bulb, that which bulb is glowing more with more brightness in series connection or in parallel connection, or sometimes the question will be कि there are two bulbs and which one will fuse first. If we will give some kind of the supply, like this is the voltage and this is the condition in this series, in this parallel, so which one will fuse or which one will glow with more brightness. So basically today's topic is about the bulb. So let's start. So here firstly you should know the power rating, or we can say that bulb, on that the written that this is the power of the bulb, this is the voltage of the bulb, and this is the frequency of bulb. This is known as the power rating, and this is known as the rating of that electrical bulb. Electrical symbol of the bulb also you all know. And series and parallel connection, when there is an end-to-end connection of any two resistors, of any two resistance, that is known as the series. And if they are connected in this way, that the first terminal of both the resistors are connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the common connection, or the last part of both the resistors is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So if there are if we will compare with the train compartment, so then it is a series connection. But if you will put those compartments one above other, so that will be a parallel connection. So series, parallel symbol power rating So now let's start with the questions that are electric bulbs question. Which one will glow with more brightness? So simple first question जो हम लोग start करेंगे. Let's start with a question that there are two bulbs. One is 60 watt and one is 100 watt. Okay. So this is power given. They both are connected in series. They both are connected in series with a source of 230 volt. Okay, with a source of 230 volt. Now here is a key that is closed. And in India, बच्चे generally the frequency is 50 hertz and the voltage is 220 volt. That is common. But फिर भी question में आपको थोड़ा सा change करके भी दे सकते हैं. So how you will calculate? So children, listen. If you want to know that the more brightness, so simply you need to calculate the more power dissipation, that out of the 2 or out of the 10 or out of the 20 or 100 bulb, which bulb is consumption of power is more in which bulb, or we can say heat dissipation is more in which bulb. So that we need to calculate. To calculate the first, to calculate that, first step is to calculate the resistance. We are talking about the series connection. I am saying this is our bulb B1, I am saying this is our bulb B2, and this is the net voltage. So if you remember, the formula for power is equal to V square by R. We know voltage, we know power, we can calculate simply the resistance. So firstly we will calculate for the bulb 1. R1 is equal to V square by P1. R2 similarly we will calculate V2 by V square by P2. When you guys will calculate V, 230. So you will do 230 into 230 divided by P1, that is 60. 230 into 230 divided by 60. Here 230 into 230 divided by 100. You guys need to do simply multiplication and division. You will get the result. I am directly putting R1 and R2 because I don't want to make the video little more lengthy. So let's start. So R1, when you will solve, because this is rated with the 60, its value will come this value is 881. Yes, 881 ohm. And R2, when you guys will calculate, it will come 529 ohm. So these are the two values that you will get. Resistance आपको मिल गया. Now you guys need to find out the power dissipation in case of the series. अभी याद ये रखना है कि question is giving us about the series connection or about the parallel connection. So series connection में बच्चा you know that the current remains same. Current remain same. So I is same. So which formula you will apply? P is equal to I square R to calculate the power dissipation. So when we will calculate for the first bulb power dissipation, so P is equal to I square into R1. इस बल्ब का रेजिस्टेंस, इसको हम बोल देते हैं P1. P2 when you will calculate, it will be I square R2. So here you will see कि R2 is less. नाउ करंट तो दोनों में सेम रहेगा एंड R2 इज लेस देन R1, सो क्या होगा, P2 इज लेस देन P1. सो बेसिकली हम क्या बोल सकते हैं कि जो हमारा फर्स्ट बल्ब है दैट इज 60 वोल्ट बल्ब, उसमें पावर डिसिपेशन ज्यादा है, तो इसके लिए ये वाला जो बल्ब है ना दैट विल ग्लो विद मोर ब्राइटनेस, उसमें ज्यादा ब्राइटनेस होगा. सेम वे if the question is saying the parallel connection, so कैसे करेंगे, again you need to calculate the series, you need to think about the series and parallel connection. Then first step क्या होगा, calculate the resistance जो कि same होगा. You will apply the same formula, you will get the same resistance. R1 bulb have the 881 ohm resistance, R2 bulb have the 529 ohm resistance, but now these are connected in the parallel connection. So see what will happen now when these are connected in the parallel connection. So you all know in parallel current divide, voltage remains same. So basically जो structure होगा, जो diagram अभी होगा वो कुछ इस तरीके से होगा. Okay, like this, and now this is connected here with the battery and key, and now this is the wire. So 230 volt. Now current is going like this. It divide I1 here, I2 here. Then again I current here. This is bulb B1, we can say. This is bulb B2. B1 was our 60 watt, B2 was our 100 watt. Okay. So this is a parallel connection. So now you know that the voltage remains same. So for calculating power dissipation, which formula you will apply? Now you will not apply I square R, क्योंकि करंट सेम नहीं है, करंट डिवाइड हो गया है. क्या चीज सेम है, वोल्टेज. सो हम लोग लगाएंगे P इज इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर बाई R. सो हम इसके लिए जब पावर डिसिपेशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे P1 इज इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर बाई R1. इस बल्ब के लिए कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो P2 इज इक्वल टू V स्क्वायर बाई R2. नाउ यू नो विच वन इज मोर, R1 is greater than R2. We already know when R1 is more, so P1 will be less. So हम क्या फाइनली जो कंक्लूजन निकलेगा वो क्या होगा, P1 is less than P2. P1 is less than P2. So when P1 is less than P2, so it means this bulb is now in case of the parallel will not glow with more brightness. This bulb will glow with more brightness. समझ में आया कैसे करना है? So when series connection is there or the parallel connection is there, the first step that you guys will do is to calculate the resistance. After that you will check out is it series or is it parallel. Then you will calculate the power dissipation from both the bulb, and then the power dissipation will be more, so brightness will be more. One is 120 volt 60 watt and one is 240 volt and 120 watt. This time the different voltage value is also given. They are not connected to the main supply. Last question when we did, I told you the main supply voltage that was 230 volt, and I told you कि voltage दोनों में divide होता है, current same रहता है, but वो हमें दिया हुआ नहीं था. In this question the voltage is given and the power is given. Main supply का voltage is not given, and now the question is कि if they are connected in the series, then which one will glow with more brightness? This was the competitive exam question. So let's see. Let's check out how to do that. Okay. Let's start. So we will do what? The first thing we need to connect them in the series. Again, this is the main, but we don't know what is the value of voltage of mains is given there. So if we don't know that thing, so we will just assume V. Okay. First step again to calculate the resistance. We will calculate for this. I am saying this is 1 and this is 2. So for this R1, V square by P, 120 into 120 divided by 60. Here when you will calculate R2, it will be 240 into 240 and divided by 120. So यहाँ पे जब हमने calculate किया, it will be 240 ohm. R1 is equal to 240 ohm. R2 same way when you will calculate R2, so it will be 480. Yes. So these are the two resistance that you got when it is in the series connection. So bacha, this diagram you can replace with the resistance diagram also. Very simple. If you want to do that also is possible. Like see, now we know the resistance of both the bulbs. So what we can do, the diagram we can make it like this. This is our R1. This is our R2. Both are in series. They are connected with a voltage that we are saying V, and E is low. Okay, so let's start. R1 and R2 both is we calculated that this is 240, this is 480. So we can just change the diagram like this, circuit diagram. So this is 240 ohm and this is bacha 480 ohm. Okay. Now I told you if the question is ki which one is glowing with more brightness. So how you will calculate? If this is series connection, power dissipation we need to calculate. We will do P is equal to I square R. Simply we can see कि I is remains same because it is series connection. So I square R1, I square R2, R2 is more. So this bulb will glow with more brightness. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि this question was given to you ना. This was I think this question was 120. This one was 120 volt and 60 watt, and this one was 240 volt and 120 watt. I think if I'm not wrong, 240 volt. This was 240 volt, 120 volt. These two bulb was given to you. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जिसका पावर ज्यादा होगा वो बल्ब ज्यादा ब्राइटनेस के साथ ग्लो करेगा. नो, जिसका पावर डिसिपेशन ज्यादा होगा, क्योंकि इतना पावर कब होगा? When this will have the maximum voltage, 240 volt. When this will have 240 volt, at that time its power will be 120 watt. So don't be confused with the power dissipation and the power rating that is given. So ये जो है ये तब होगा जब उसका वोल्टेज 240 वोल्ट होगा, जब वो कंप्लीट उसको उतना वोल्टेज मिलेगा तब. So these are the questions that are important. I hope कि वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. अगर ब्राइटनेस ज्यादा कैलकुलेट करनी है so simply रेजिस्टेंस कैलकुलेट करो, पावर डिसिपेशन कैलकुलेट करो and you will get your result. So thank you so much and if you think कि आपका problem solve हो गया है so please press the like button and smash the bell icon for the latest notifications. And next okay, those who don't want to listen me now they can leave it, but what I was thinking that now I will upload because it's about the Preeti's classes. So I was thinking something that I know I should share with you. So next videos there will be some other topic classes also. Physics classes of course there will be there, but other than physics classes there will be some more informative videos regarding the other topic, my interest areas. So hope that you guys will support me and thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, bye.